Good tourism is a well-balanced combination of running a profitable business and doing good. We are here to help you do both. Learn how to support local communities, build long-lasting relations with customers and employees, and offer unique experiences. All this in a sustainable way. Our goal is to make the tourism industry a better place for its businesses and travelers. This, however, can't be done without taking in mind the planet and its people. Do you want to become a better tour operator and develop great strategies, improve your supply chain management, start winning at online marketing, and do all this in a sustainable way? With our experience in both sustainable tourism and online marketing, we believe a sustainable tourism business and making a profit can go hand in hand. You can be thoughtful about the environment, local communities and animal welfare, and run a successful business at the same time. Whether you are just starting your business, want to improve or change your business model, or feel you could use some tips and tricks, this ebook is the right step for you. In this ebook, you learn about the modern day tourism industry, strategy development, office management, human resources, supply chain management, communication, certification, and online marketing. Take the first step to become a better tour operator by downloading our free ebook.